So in this video, we're going to be installing the Cloudshelf connector for Salesforce B2C Commerce. The first thing you want to do is head over to our GitHub repository and download the code. Once you have that downloaded, extract it and copy the Cloudshelf cartridge into your site's code locally. Next, you want to run the upload cartridge command from a new terminal window. This should only take a few seconds. Now head into your Business Manager portal and register the cartridge with the site you want to use. You also want to register it globally, as shown here. Next, head over to Site Import and Export and upload the cartridge metadata. This can be found in the repository you downloaded earlier, and it's inside the data folder. Once that's uploaded, make sure you import it. Now head over to Merchant Tools and click on Custom Preferences underneath Site Preferences and head into the Cloudshelf section. Here, provide your API key that you received on your welcome email. So now we need to configure the synchronization jobs, which can be done by heading to the Jobs section. We have two jobs here. First, go into the Export Full one and head into the Job Steps tab and set up the scope for the store you want to use. Then click on Run Now. Depending on your size of your store, this may take a few minutes. Now head back to the jobs and do the same for the Delta one. This will run significantly quicker. Now we want to set up these jobs to run on a schedule. Head back into the Export Full job and set it to run once per day. And now head back into the Delta one and have it run once every 15 minutes. Now that's the jobs configured, there's one final part, which is to configure the stores. For each store you want to use as a location in Cloudshelf, you need to make sure you've set the isCloudshelf attribute to true. You can do this for as many stores as you like. Now we've configured some stores, we can either wait for the full export job to run or manually start it by hitting the Run Now button as shown here. Again, depending on the size of your store, this may take some time. So that's everything inside the Business Manager configured. You'll now be able to see all of this content inside the Cloudshelf Manager. So if we head over to the Cloudshelf Manager now, you can see all of the stores we've selected as locations. And if we go to the Usage tab, we can see the ingestion statistics. Now if we go into a Cloudshelf, you can make whatever changes you like here. And then whenever you'd like, preview the experience. And so that's it. Your Salesforce store is now connected to Cloudshelf, and all of your products will now be kept in sync.